We're often asked how many people search for robotic knee surgery or robotics assisted knee surgery or terms like that. And what I wanted to show you was, at a glance, how people actually search. And consumers, unlike doctors, use words that are very general and simple. So, for example, a doctor might refer to your surgery as total joint replacement surgery. But we, consumers, would say knee replacement surgery or hip replacement surgery. So what we're looking at right here is a Google Trends chart. And this shows us, comparing terms, how frequently people search. The thing that you want to know is knee replacement surgery, which is this purple line that you see almost all by itself above all others. That is every possible combination of the words knee replacement surgery benefits, knee replacement surgery recover, and so forth. So this is all of the searches. Now it shows 100 here, but you'll notice that they don't quite add up to 100. That's because this is a combination. So knee replacement surgery is searched in all the random combinations over 75 to 100% of the time. So it's extremely popular, which we already knew. But let's drill a little deeper. So I'm going to remove this, but you can see how far and away it's above all other terms. Now when I remove this, what we're looking to see is robotic knee surgery. And robotic knee surgery is kind of synonymous with Mako knee surgery. They say robotic knee surgery, which of course is not really true. It's really robotic assisted surgery. Robotic surgery would be the robot does the actual surgery. We know there's a doctor involved. But again, consumers, we watch the Jetsons. We looked at all of these movies and science fiction, and some of us believe it's real. So that's why we search for robotic knee surgery. We don't necessarily introduce the word assisted, even though it's technically more correct. Now you want to try variations. So this is robotic. If I say robotics, which is the science of robotics, no change, not really. So robotic knee surgery is more popular than a brand. You can see it pulses a little, but remember in our previous graph, it's non-existent. Ads using the word robotic knee surgery and robotics assisted knee surgery are very narrow. The term used more often and still horribly performing is minimally invasive knee surgery. And when we search for that, you can see that it's squiggling around in there itself. So you've got all these different terms that you can look for, but they all pale in comparison to knee replacement surgery. Remember, that squashes everything. When you market to your patient base, you want to market to the terms they know and use the most, knee replacement surgery. Then when they land on your page, you want to detail them with that. We recommend using general terms for the title in Google, knee replacement surgery, Boston, Massachusetts, localize it, etc. In the ad copy, put something in there about robotics, new robotics treatment, whatever statements and claims you're allowed to make. Put that in the body, but you can buy a search term, but we spend virtually no money. This is based on reports that I will be happy to share with you that shows hundreds of thousands of dollars all across the U.S. and virtually no money spent for these types of terms because it's just not a thing they search for. But they do want to know, I want to know about knee replacement surgery. Oh, wait, there's a robot? That's even better. So that's where you want to look at and use the robotics, use the technology as a detailing thing. So looking into robotics, robotics assisted, and from a brand perspective, Mako, the reason they look for Mako is because Mako's been out there for a while, right? And it's not because they're doing any better, they're simply not. Navio knee surgery, on the other hand, is barely ranking at all. Now, while we're showing you that and we're delivering Navio and the value proposition for Navio, it's simply not something that people look for. And it's also something that what we do within the Navio marketing program is we focus on knee replacement surgery. We focus on what we were saying at the very beginning. We focus on the big hit and detail them with the benefits of Navio. So whereas Navio has some search recognition, I would tell you that a lot of this is investors, distributors, doctors. Not, as you can see, enough. There's not even enough data showing this, that we're comparing like a few to less, but all things considered, there's not enough searches to even rank showing on a map. That's how few people are looking for this. So from a brand perspective, you're less likely to have searches and decisions made on brand than you are on treatment and condition-based searches, knee replacement surgery. Hope this clears things up.